Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you about our production business intelligence, which gives you a quick snapshot around how your production is going and how your production is performing. So let us go to our intelligence module. You need to click on browse module, and then after you need to click on reports and intelligence. Select it. Now in the very top you will see an option of production BI. Select the production BI. Now this is the entire dashboard of your production business intelligence. The very first data which displays you, that is your month to date, last 30 days, finished good produced, raw material consumed, scrap generated, and raw material rejected, so that you may be able to see the performance as well, that how much amount raw material is being rejected in the production. Now going below, pending orders in production. So these are all the orders which are created and are currently under multiple stages. Production not planned, that means order confirmation is rate, but from the work order, production have not been created. Now the next is 0% completed, that means the production have been planned but no work have been done. Less than 50% done, so that means it is in work in progress, not yet completed up to 50% also. So you need to pace up there and you need to match the delivery date as well. Now coming to the next, here is the more than or equal to 50% completed and delivery ready. Delivery ready are those orders where finished good testing is done and the item is into your inventory. Here it provides the OC number along with the amount and due date for a quick snapshot. All pending, due orders, overdue orders. You can very well go ahead and change the filter and can see the data as per your requirement. Now coming to the next, here is your production performance. So this data displays you that week on week, month on month, and quarter on quarter how your production is performing. So please check, as you can see the graph is moving. So here the finished good produced, raw material consumed, scrap generated, and raw material rejected. This takes on the amount, and then after it shows you that how much graph is moving on. Now status of old processes. So here you can go ahead and check the status of all the old processes which are 1 day old, 7 days old, 30 days old, 90 days old. If something is in 90 days old, obviously you need to go ahead and focus more, as because some of raw material must have been consumed or exactly in which state it is. So you can very well go ahead and check the data here as per the selection, the planned, pending, work in progress, and accordingly you can go ahead and see how your production is performing, where exactly is the lag, and where you need to focus more. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check the production intelligence. Have a good day ahead.